Hey guys, welcome back to Budget with a July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and in today's video I'll be sharing my March 2022 passive income report. So if you're new to my channel, on this channel I share everything personal finance. I cover budgeting, saving and investing. If these topics interest you, then please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get in today's video. So I have actually just decided to write everything down that I'm going to talk about in today's video. I won't be showing my tracker where I track everything. I just probably put the numbers on the screen and speak to that. So the first thing that I want to share is the fact that I have a new goal now for the financial year, April 2022 to April 2023. And that financial goal, the new goal, is I want to be earning at a minimum £500 every single month as extra income. Back in 2017-18, I wanted to say, on my blog I used to bring in between £750 to 1,500. Then I fell off the bandwagon, and most of it's more my body teaching me a lesson, because I literally was burning the candle from both ends. So yeah, after that I fell off the bandwagon, but now I want to go back to that time where I was able to have that amount of discretionary income, especially now that I'm more savvy with my finances and I've got a lot of financial goals that I would like to accomplish. So this is why I've decided for this financial year, I would like to make at a minimum £500. I know exactly what I need to do to be able to achieve that, but I know it won't be easy either way. So I'm just excited that I will be working on that moving forward. Then the second thing I wanted to share is the fact that I have decided to hire an accountant. My dad and I just did my taxes for 2021 to 2022 April, and boy, yeah, no, I need an accountant. I have decided on that. So I'm going to be hiring an accountant. I don't know when, but possibly soon. I'm definitely looking. Now, let's go to the passive income itself. So in the month of February 2022, I earned £853.76. That's how much I was able to make. And the breakdown of this is I made 557.74 pence from my Etsy shop. So if you're not aware, I sell I sell budget templates on Etsy. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, and those budgeting templates, I am grateful that a lot of people are purchasing them and are telling me how useful they find them, because they're so easy and simple to use. And that is the idea. When I was paying off debt, when I was starting to get familiar with budgeting, I wanted a simple template. I didn't want anything fancy dancing. I didn't want anything complicated, and that's exactly what I created. So it's very simple, it is fit for purpose. So if you are looking for an easy to use budget template, then check out my link in the description bar below. Then from my website, ajulidreamer.com, where I talk about travel, fashion, lifestyle and money, I was able to bring in £220 and 48 pence. So I essentially brought in about 230, I want to say, or 250, but some of it was paid in dollars, some of it I paid via PayPal, so there are fees to consider. So what I've actually put in my tracker is after fees, because it just gets complicated, to be honest. If I start saying, oh, I actually earned this much, but in my account only this much landed, but then when I'm doing my accounting it just gets confusing. So I just put exactly what landed into my account. So that's 220 and 48 pence. Then for other income it was £75 and 54 pence. So every small business has expenses. Mine is no different, and the month of March was the most expensive one I have had so far in the year. So for expenses, I ended up paying 559 and 81 pence. That's how much I spent. This is because Etsy fees. Like, yes, I was able to make over £500 on Etsy, but I ended up paying over £200 in fees. So £255 and 67 pence to be exact is how much I paid in Etsy fees. Then my hosting plan for my blog came up. So my hosting plan renewal came up. I paid £159 and 99 pence, so essentially £160. Then I also rejoined Linktree. So if you go to my Instagram and you click through the link, it will give you all of the links there. The setup of it is thanks to the Linktree platform software, whatever it's called. So I paid £36 for the whole year so I can utilize that, and then the rest 140 and 15 pence was for my normal expenses, and this also included paying my virtual assistant, buying a couple of equipment for my YouTube channel, and then just all of the other bits and bobs that I use for my business and pay for every single month. So that is where my 551 and 81 pence in expenses went. So that means for profit, I was left with £261 and 95 pence. So what I did with this profit is I split it into three. So I sent some money towards tithe and giving. I sent some money towards my taxes because April is tax season, so we gotta top up that tax fund and then see how much I owe, and start making payments to the taxman. Then the other money went to my savings. Now for me, the majority of money that I sent to my savings I've actually been sending towards my 100 envelope savings challenge. So I use Budget with Ira's template. I love this, it's so easy. So yeah, I use that, and that's why I try to send the majority of my savings. So yeah, and I think that is it that I wanted to share with respect to my March 2022 passive income report. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to check out this video where I shared my other passive income reports. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.